strikes again. Whoa, some niggas bitter with life and they hate me. They wanna put a knife in my ribs. Whoa, way this shit set up, I live like Ronaldo, but I never been to Madrid. Whoa, she said that she working, I told her come over and we could get right at the crib. Whoa.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. I know I wasn't posting for a little while, but we back, baby. We about to keep on posting. Hopefully I could keep a posting streak because I was slacking, but I had to watch Flash. I might do a 5 top shows on Netflix to binge watch because I've been binge watching shit because there's too much going on the Flash right now that I have to go ahead and get to. But first I gotta go ahead and give you guys a video. So I'm gonna unbox $300 worth of palettes in Supreme today. Hopefully you guys do end up enjoying this video. If you do, go ahead and leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Click those post notification bells so you're notified every time I post. And that Gleam link at the top of the description will enter you in a $50 PayPal giveaway, where after 3 weeks I will be giving away $50 in PayPal credit. Also, one last thing, go check out Project 88. The website is officially out. Check out any pieces that you would like. There's a couple of dope ass shirts on there. Also, you already know we pulling up with the hat like it's 07 in this beach. Check them out, bro. Like, this hat is literally my go-to. I have all these hats and I only wear this one or that one because they literally go with anything. The price is right. $25 for a hat, bro. You cannot beat. It's undefeatable, bro. It's undefeated. Trust me. It's undefeated. Go check them out at the top of the description and click that Gleam link while you're there. But let's get straight into this video. We're gonna check out one of these packages, okay? Just hold up. Right here we got the first package we're gonna be talking about. Honestly, I've been ordering so much shit that I had to open some of these. I apologize, but we do get the full experience, you feel me? I'm sorry. I usually try to leave these shits for the video, but I just had to see because I didn't know what it was. And I have so much shit that I had to legit check that was on the way. And this is from Supreme right here. Bang, we do got the little baggie or whatever. And inside of here we got 3 box logo stickers. This is honestly a first. They usually only give 2, but hey, they gave me 3. I'ma just appreciate it and keep it smoking. We also did get this gross pin, which they never mentioned we were gonna get, but hey, any gift is a gift and I appreciate it. Good looking out. These free pins are actually cool, you feel me? So we got that, and we got the marker. The marker is actually sick. Honestly, I do want to pick up the red one because I really do like it. When I first saw this, I thought it was just gonna be this right there, but we do got that huge ass branding on the back. When it comes to this, I don't know if I really want to open it. I might just leave it in there until I want to use it or some shit like that, but this is super clean. Really do like the marker. I can honestly see myself picking up the red one. We do got the branding on the box, we got the branding on the front, and we got the big ass box logo right behind it. But when it comes to this piece, I don't know if I should have bought it like by itself. I probably should have just carded this with something else, but at the end of the day I did pick it up and it is what it is. I'm gonna still try to go ahead and pick up the red one. I don't know if it's still sitting on the website. I know it was for like a week or so. If it is, I might go ahead and cart that with another piece on an upcoming week because I really do want the set. But hey, we got the Supreme Super Color Permanent Marker right here for the graffiti boys. You already know how we doing it. We got the little marker or whatever, but second up, we got this piece right here, which is from Palace. This shit is actually clean as well. I think I remember it was like a long sleeve or some shit like that. I did do a live cop for this, so I'm gonna link that up. But yeah, we do got this piece right here. Did we get a sticker? Please tell me we got a sticker. All right, we at least got a tri-ferg, so I'm okay about that. We got a tri-ferg right here, and we do got this long sleeve Palace tee, which is actually hard, bro. This shit is fire. What I like about Palace is the attention to details. Like, come on, bro. This shit is hard in itself, and we do got this Palace tee in here, which I actually am a huge fan of. This is not the piece I was initially going for, but I ended up with it, and bro, this shit is hard to me, bro. This is the 24-hour long sleeve. This shit I'm gonna actually be wearing a whole lot. I'm a huge fan of this Palace shirt. It has the subtle Palace branding right there, kinda, and we got the 24-hour right there. I don't know, but this looks like a pit bull or some shit from the projects. German Shepherd, actually, now that I really look at it. I like this red on navy color. It's just really clean. I like the way that it pops on there, and the white on this shirt doesn't really do it justice, so this is the color I decided to go with. Second piece was this Palace 24-hour tee. I don't think these have much resell, but at this point I don't really care, honestly. I'm buying shit that I actually really do enjoy. The week that this dropped, I wanted the Powboy tee and I took a L. I took a big ass L on that, but we're gonna just keep it stroking and poking to the front, you feel me? We're not gonna look back, we're gonna look forward always, like literally always. Just look forward and do your shit, bro. Next up, we got another Supreme piece right here. Honestly, I really thought I was gonna take an L the week that this came out, but hey, your boy managed to cook up. We didn't take an L this week. This year, or this season, has been straight ass. ass when it comes to Supreme manually, but we did cook up this week. I'm pretty sure if you guys saw the live cop, y'all saw what's already in here. But what did we get, bro? We got 2 BOGOs in here, and then we got the Supreme headband right here. I got it in the forest green type colorway, and my package looks like it's open. It's like weird. It looks like it was ripped, which honestly sucks because I want to be the one to destroy or open my shit, but I don't know. But this color is pretty clean. I am gonna do a review and legit check on this, so you could expect that real soon. This color is actually hard. Let me take it out the package for you guys. Got that new era right there. That's Supreme on the front right there. This is a unique colorway. That's honestly the only reason I got it, because I've never seen a forest green headband, especially from Supreme. So I definitely had to go and scoop this up. Now, I don't really wear headbands that much. Like, I have this 3M one from Fall Winter 17 and I barely wear it. So I don't know if I will be keeping this one, but I like the 3M one way better anyways. But we can't complain, bro. We did cook it up on this headband right here, which is honestly really clean. And I really do fucks with this one. Kind of pissed that my package was open, kind of, but hey, we not about to complain, bro. I am gonna be making a video on this, probably a legit check review type shit. I should be dropping that this week, hopefully. But the last piece that I did pick up was this big ass package right here. This is the latest pickup that I've actually made, and I felt like I needed to unbox this, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it on the video for you guys. I've been wanting one of these for a minute, bro, like a fat minute, and I just never really got around to it. It's one of those things where if I get it, I get it. If I don't, then I'm not gonna get it. But we do got this fluffy ass piece right here. I don't even know if I got any stickers with this one, but I don't even care, to be honest, because I just want the piece. This is the S logo brick. This shit bricked like crazy, bro. I was not expecting these shits to brick how they did. And we do have 2 box logo stickers right here. I'm glad that it is a good, like, it's a good hoodie, bro. Like, you cannot go wrong with an S logo. It's kind of an everyday hoodie. I do have a box logo, but come on, bro, you're not just gonna pull out the box logo every single day on some shit. You could do it with this one though, especially this colorway. If you guys would like to see a detailed review on this, let me know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, honestly, because this is a piece that I was gonna resell. We might be stuck with this bit. We do got that Supreme on the top right there, top of the hood type shit, and then we got the S logo right there. Besides that, there's not really much going on. I really do like this piece, not gonna lie, and I feel like I would wear this more than any other hoodie that I have. That pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what you guys think down below. What was your favorite pickup that I did get today? I have a big ass Supreme haul on the way. Like, this whole shit right here is full of packages. You guys really don't get to see that, but there is a lot of shit that I will get to, trust me. And I am gonna be opening up that Instagram store for you guys. That's really why I've been hoarding on Supreme lately. But that pretty much does it for this video. Like I said before, if you did end up enjoying, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Click that Gleam link at the top of the description if you do want to enter in a $50 PayPal giveaway. Go check out Project 88. I'm sorry, but I'm a shameless plug this shit. Just go check it out for me. Like, there's nothing wrong. Like, there's just go check it out. I promise you, you will like something on there, bro. Like, if it's not a hat, you gonna like one of their tees. That Marijuana Boy tee is super clean. Trust me. Just trust me, bro. Get in while you can, because the shit will blow up in front of your face, in front of my face, in front of everybody's face. So just go check it out right now. And it's not sponsored, by the way. Like, I'm just doing this out of kindness of my heart, you feel me, because I do believe in the brand. But check them out, check it out. I'm checking out. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
He strikes again, whoa. Some niggas bitter with life and they hate me, they wanna put a knife in my ribs, whoa. Way this shit set up, I live like Ronaldo, but I never been to Madrid, whoa. She said that she working, I told her come over and we could get right at the crib, whoa.